as a joke in our community, every Haitian practices voodoo. The other side of the joke is probably 90% of us deny that we do. The word voodoo comes from West Africa and Benin, formerly known as Dahomey, and it means a sacred dance to the spirit.
This is Dan Bilevsky with the New York Times. In a dim and nondescript basement in Flatbush, the sound of chanting and drums overtakes the Brooklyn night.
It's often seen as it's the poor and the working class, people who practice the tradition and no one else, when that's not in fact the case. I practice voodoo. I went to Ivy League schools. I live here. I've traveled all over the world.
Doherty Desir is a high priestess, or mambo, in the voodoo religion. She is also an Ivy League-educated anthropologist and designer who says that voodoo is poorly understood.
With the remarks made by Pat Robertson following the earthquake, we as Haitians supposedly made a pact with the devil. And so now we're being punished for that.
She is among a growing population of Haitian Americans who have embraced the centuries-old tradition of voodoo. It is an often stigmatized religion that is undergoing a renaissance here in New York City as Haitian Americans of all ages turn to voodoo for comfort and self-affirmation.
Those Haitians who survived the earthquake are now living here in the U.S., particularly in New York, are creating bridges or remending bridges that had been ruptured as a result. And they're bringing their new energies here, and those of us who have been here, as long as I have, can connect with them and sort of renew and re-energize ourselves.
Some, like New Yorker Whitney Hunter, are turning to voodoo to reconnect with their African roots.
I started losing a lot of people in my life, my family, my grandmother, my grandfather, and I felt that I needed some way to pay respect to them.
But despite its growing popularity, voodoo has also come under increased scrutiny.
Fire marshals say last week's massive Brooklyn fire that left a woman dead and nearly 24 injured was caused by a voodoo ritual.
It's wrong. It's not a question of problematic. It's just wrong.
Ms. Desir insists these events do not represent mainstream voodoo.
Voodoo emphasizes healing. It emphasizing creating balance and harmony in the world. These people, they're not practicing the voodoo that I know.
In this basement in Brooklyn, the drums go on. Participants witness a man's symbolic marriage to the spirit of love named Freedom. It is an act that he hopes will bring him luck and success. The ceremony will last until long into the night.
Probably people upstairs have no idea what's going on, so that's kind of what's kind of cool about it.